Hey guys, like here. I want to do a quick review on this compressor slash phone charger slash light and all that. I wanted something more compact for my car. Right now I have the M18 Milwaukee one and it works great, but it's too big to always have around with you. So I want to try a modern day compressor, not the cigarette lighter plug-in ones, but something with a rechargeable battery and all that. So here's some specs. I want to see how it performs pumping up a tire. That's my main reason, as well as for basketball, stuff like that. So what's cool, it does have preset specs settings, so we'll test that in a minute and how it performs, how long it takes and all that. Some more specs here, but let's open it up, see how it looks, and go from there. Got my Atomic Bear tactical pen here. This thing is awesome. I did a review on it if you want to check it out. Little carry bag, that's cool. Okay, not too heavy, but it feels solid, first impression. So we gotta fully charge it, so I'm definitely gonna do that. And when that's done, we'll put it to the test. But for now, let's take this off. Some more info for you. That's the light. So it's almost charged, so we don't need a lot of juice. Light. Some better strobe, emergency strobe. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'll charge it up and we'll come back to it. The hose, we'll go through that in a minute. Some adapters, it's all convenient, and it's USB-C rechargeable, so that's a nice plus. Oh, let's do it. Okay, so let's give this thing a try. With a car tire, we're gonna connect our hose. Go. Power it on. So right now we're set to 36 psi. You can adjust that going up or down. Let's go 33.5. So right now we're at 26.7. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, so what was it, 7 psi in about a couple minutes. That's not bad at all for a tiny compressor. Those plug-in USB ones I feel like would take 10 minutes, 20 minutes to get to this point. So very impressive. Just 1 bar of battery life, that's not bad. Excellent for emergency situations. Let's try with a couple more things, and that's gonna be it. I still want to show you guys the light and the USB charger. So here we got a motorcycle tire. We're down to 28, so I want to get this back up to like 30s. And if you actually hit this preset button here, it has different preset settings for car, for motorcycle, and you can set that to a default that you want. Basketball 8 psi, for example. So that's pretty cool. we're gonna go 35 with the bike. So yeah, less than a minute to get my bike up to life. That's awesome. So now let's try basketball. Got a dead one here. Power this thing on. We can go to the mode already preset for it, which is set to 8 psi. That works perfect, but you can always adjust if needed. It goes by halves, which is pretty cool plus. Let's give it a go. That's that. Very cool. So the USB phone laptop charger, you just have to power it on and it starts charging your phone. So very simple. But yeah, overall, awesome little unit. I'm gonna keep it in the car. Great for emergencies. Thanks for watching. Hope it's helpful. Any questions, let me know.